Hello everyone, welcome to this first video for MaximumLots.com. I'm going to run through the trade analysis which I conducted for a trade which I took last week on the AUDCAD. So here we are on the daily chart. You can see I've marked up a supply level, I've also marked up a demand level down here as well. But I was looking to go short from this supply level here. Price drops quite strongly out of here, fell over 400 pips, and so I was looking to get short should price rally back up. So the first thing I did was set a price alert for this level here at 98.94. I waited for that to sound on my iPhone. So when it did, I opened up the chart and I saw how price arrived at the level. You can see a nice strong rally. So that indicated that there wasn't much to stop price when price was to come back down. You can see just nothing but green candles coming up. So the next thing I did, I dropped down to the H1 chart. As you know, I like to wait for an engulf of the nearest opposing level. So we have this cursor here. So if I put that there, drop down to the H1, you can see exactly where we were on the H1 chart. So here's the supply level here, marked up here. And the nearest opposing level, nearest demand level, the nearest significant one at least, is this one right here. So I marked up this level, and I like to indicate demand in blue. So if I just change that there. So we see this demand level here. So I wanted to see this level engulfed or broken to indicate that price was going to move down further and that this supply level would hold, this daily supply level would hold. So I set a price alert for just below this level for around 97, 77 maybe, somewhere around there. So when price reached that level, I'd get an alert on my phone and I could see how price actually engulfed the level. So price engulfed it, and there wasn't much for me to do immediately because price hadn't engulfed it in such a strong fashion. But then when I saw this great move down here, then I was interested. So I believe the source to be around here somewhere. So it doesn't look like the best supply level. Not all supply levels look very nice. Not all demand levels look very nice. But I believe the supply level, the source of the supply to be in here. So I marked up this level with the rectangle tool, and I set a price alert for this level as well. So this was around 98.26, and then just waited for price to get back to the level. So if we see the reaction then, if I move this little arrow here, you can see the reaction when we zoom in on the 5-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart then, this is when price came back to the H1 supply level. And if we look at how price arrived, we can see a big spike in price, and we can see price compressing up. Now if I mark in some levels, then there is probably, not probably, there is a level on the 1-minute chart, around level there. So that's been tested already, so that's not an issue. This has been broken as well, so that is no longer an issue. And then we have this level here, this demand level. Price rallied up, tested once, 2, 3. You can see price tested that level numerous times. So price was either going to rally up or drop from that level. You can see price rallied up nicely before completely engulfing that and engulfing much lower as well. So here you have a swap zone in here. So you could have set a limit order for this level right here. This level right here, or higher up. There's a level in there as well. Now if we drop down to the 1-minute chart, if I just move this cursor along here, you can see what it looks like on the 1-minute chart. 1 minute, you can see nice big gap away supply, and that is ultimately where price returned to before dropping down. But my entries are primarily based on the 5-minute most of the time. So I entered my entry was around here. So I set a limit order for that price. Now my stop was up above the H1 level, so price never came anywhere near my stop, although it did I was in drawdown for a little bit. And after that, you can see price just fell and fell and fell. And from my entry down to take profit, I took profit around here. Now, when you look on the daily chart, we haven't got down to this demand level here, but price did rally strongly from this point. So there was demand at this level. Now, what I would have expected if price was to continue further was for price to drop down and continue to close lower, but that isn't what happened. And I saw an engulfing pattern on the 5-minute chart. If I put the cursor down here, now when price came down to that level, I saw this supply level, and I thought to myself, if this gets engulfed, then I'll be out of the trade. So I marked up the level, and I saw price create this demand, and I thought that's going to get engulfed. And so I exited the trade for 190 profit. So that's my trade analysis for the AUDCAD. And now the only thing to do is to wait for the next setup. I hope you found that useful.